Hey everyone, welcome back to another video of Matt's RV Reviews. This is going to be a short video. I'm calling it my frequently asked questions portion about what is solid surface countertops on an RV. Well, I found a great RV to do this short video on, a nice little comparison, and I'm going to show you. So, right here, we are in a Winsport, and this has solid surface countertops. Right now, this is a Winsport. There is different grades and levels of solid surface countertops. You know, your Corians, and I don't think anybody uses granites, but you know, granites and in different types. But the most important thing, if somebody's looking for solid surface countertops, is just the countertop part, because in the bathroom here, this is not solid surface countertop. This is some sort of laminate or something like that. I don't even know how to explain it, but here's why it's important. Because as you can see there, when you have this type of material, you have your side piece right there, and that there, whenever there's any little bit of moisture or whatever, this starts to peel back. Oh, yep, look, let me, oh, yep, look. There you go. And it's like a lumber core type of wrap or whatever. And it's just not as fancy. So, there you go. That's a short video. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions about solid surface countertops or anything else RV related, send me an email. mattsrvreviews@gmail.com. Hit the subscribe button, and I'll see you next time.